Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I laid out two possible outcomes from the symmetrical triangle formation: a breakdown to 92,100 or a breakout to 95,000. Shortly after the upload, price dropped right at the apex, clearing the 92.1 target and even dipping to 91.7. That's a solid 2% move from the apex to the local bottom. If you were looking to short this, it was a great opportunity. Personally, I never short during a bull run. What followed next were clear bullish divergences flashing on the wave trend, with RSI heavily oversold, printing values as low as 18 on the 15-minute chart. After the last green dot printed in that range, price began trending upward again. Since then, it's climbed 2.5%, not only reclaiming the lower range between 93.3 and 93.7, but even breaking above it to reach the 94,000 zone. Switching to higher time frames, the picture becomes more bullish. On the 4-hour chart, we've now got a fresh green dot on the wave trend. The Heikin-Ashi bars are long and thick, signaling real strength in the new uptrend that started right after the bounce at 92.1. In my view, 95,000 is coming sooner than most expect, but of course, do your own research. As for my personal trades, I'm still holding two key positions, one at 94,000 and one at 100,000. I opened both months ago, and after weeks in the red, they're finally turning profitable. Looking at our flashback market stats indicator, we know that weekends usually bring low volume. Monday has historically been the strongest day, so I expect we'll need to be patient until Saturday night or Monday for a real breakout. Fridays close green 53.48% of the time. Checking the 3-day liquidation heat map, we see a clear hotspot around 90.1. That's the same level I marked as past support and resistance in yesterday's video. Ideally, we clear the zone before the weekend to trap late shorts, setting the stage for an aggressive move to the upside. Above 95 to 97,000, there are more liquidity pockets visible. If price grinds into those zones early next week, we could finally be looking at a clean path to 100,000. That's the best case setup from a market structure and heat map standpoint. Interestingly, the long wave strategy triggered an entry on the 45-minute chart at 92.2. I missed this one because I was away from my workstation. Even so, that trade is now up 1.63%. With 5 to 10x leverage, that's 8 to 16% profit. Not bad at all. On the ETF side, institutional buyers keep accumulating. So far, we're seeing 107.2 million in inflows today, led by ARK Invest with 97 million. The rest of the numbers are still getting updated, but I'd bet we'll end up close to a 300 to 400 million day, similar to April 21st. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.